In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see the health bar of your enemies on Hytale. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Just a quick reminder that you can use the creator code Academy on the Hytale store if you want to support the channel. So right now I'm playing Skywars, and as you can see, we can see the health bar of any enemy. So this doesn't only work for online players, this will also work for enemies on your survival. So you can see the health bar of any mob. And in this case, for example, on this minigame I'm playing, this is actually very useful. So you can see the health remaining on each player. So if you want to enable this option, just go to the menu and then go to settings. Now in general, you will see user interface, and the third option is show entity health bars. So by default you will have it disabled, and just click right here and you will enable this option. So now you can see the health bar of any entity in the game. So that's it. That's how you can see the health bars on Hytale. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.